This video will guide you through the process of signing into mFlow for the first time. As a first step, log into mymguide.mis-implants.com to go to the Welcome page. Click Sign Up. Here you will select if you are representing a clinic with a number of clinicians or you are a single user. If you represent a clinic, note that you can register a number of clinicians by pressing the Add Dentist button. If you are a single user, continue to fill in your first name and last name, address, and contact details, and choose your password for this site. Press Sign Up to complete this process. You will receive an automated email confirming your registration. Once the mFlow team connects you to your mCenter, you will be prompted to activate your account and log in to mFlow to start submitting your orders and using your email and password.